we're headed off to Lowe's. In this vlog, you're gonna see me fix a toilet. So yeah, hopefully it'll just end up being like a $6 fix or right around in that area. But this is a gasket and it basically connects to the bottom of the tank and meets the bowl, and water has been spewing out of there. I think that what created, I don't know if you can see that, but it is just, looks like it's been chewed up. So I think the culprit is that tidy bowl from Dollar Tree. Technically, I didn't even know this, but you're not actually supposed to put anything into the tank. So you can clean the bowl, obviously, but the bowl is the seat part, the tank is the holds the water. And I was reading the label in there and it says you're not actually supposed to put anything in there because it could do damage to the parts that are in the tank. So, and it was interesting because no one has been using that bathroom since the summer because my daughter, you know, she graduated and then everyone went off to college. So since August, that toilet has never been used. And I went to flush it and blue water everywhere and really pigmented blue water. So the tidy bowl hadn't really been, I had put one in there, but obviously no flushing, so it was just really blue. And I think that's what caused that. So anyway, we're gonna go get a gasket. And if you wanna see me attempt to fix the toilet, I mean, I had to get the tank off the bowl, which I did successfully. And we'll see if I can add plumber to my list of talents.
If the kids aren't playing with it.
We're not gonna wait for me to catch it. Okay, this is where the gasket goes, and this is where the water, excuse obviously how dirty it is, it's been leaking, but it was just gushing out. When I would flush, it was just flooding. So we're gonna get this cleaned up while we're here. And then the gasket touches the bottom of here, then we bolt this to the bowl, and then we connect the water hose. So let's do it. All right, do not ask me why I have one blue glove and one yellow, because I don't know the answer to it. I am not trying to make this perfect because nobody sees this or sits on that. But we're just gonna clean it up enough so that the gasket is sitting on a surface without anything, you know, kind of rubbing in the way. I think is that the gasket was on the tank. So I'm gonna add this to the tank and then we're gonna put this into the bowl. So I'm thinking I need to replace these two because water can also come out from here. And I'm thinking that the tidy bowl might have done some damage. Although it just looks super flush tight, but I would hate to add. Leave those. I know it's risky, but you know what? It really wasn't that hard to remove. So, was it this way? Yeah, see, this is why you should pay attention to when you remove things. I think it's this way. I'm scared, like legit scared. Oh my God. This, y'all, I shouldn't be doing this with my back. Like this is just, oh man, this, I don't know about this. That is just too thick. I knew I should have bought the other one too, just in case. Mother. Oh my gosh. Universal my ass. I think maybe I had it in wrong. So maybe it goes like that. That seems more normal, right? You're like, I have no idea. Neither do I, honey. Okay. Ugh. God, I'm gonna kill my back. I just, That is just way too thick. You know what? We're going for it. I don't care. I don't give a crap. We're gonna see if it works. And if it doesn't, we will go back and we will get another one. No big deal. But we'll never know, right? We don't. There we go. Oh. We just have to tighten this in. Oh, shoot. Something breaking? I'm scared. Watch me call a plumber. For real. Alright, here's the truth. We gotta wait for this to fill up, and then we gotta flush it, and then if water doesn't come out, then we passed. If it comes out, I have to go back and buy another one. A different one. This one was pretty thick, and this one's, it was a lot thinner than that one, but it said universal, so I went with it, but they have a black one that if that one doesn't work, I'm gonna go with the black one. Okay, here we go. Did I just do it? I'm unstoppable! Just for shits and giggles. And this is what I call a mic drop.